welcome back to Sawyer TV. I got Caroline with me, update braces off. And every Nintendo lover, gamer lover, should want
the Nintendo Switch. Ba-ba-da-ba.
So I've been saving this for a long time, and then how about we unbox it with you? So let's see.
Okay,
Let's open this. I'm so excited.
I know.
I've been saving this for a long time, just so you know.
Yeah, he's been keeping this goal like forever. Okay.
Oh, so let's see.
Look at this.
We got the Joy-Cons.
Oh, this looks cool.
That's a console.
Oh, this is cool.
So
this is heavy.
So it comes with some gray Joy-Cons, which I got the gray.
Right.
One Nintendo Switch console.
I don't know what this does, but okay.
It's like if you want to take it on the go, you just see these buttons on the side, on the back.
Those?
Just this. Push it back. Then this side up. Slide it on. You know, I'll have to work on that, okay?
Yeah,
and then that's how you take it on the go. Just slide it on.
Alright, okay.
So after that, that's the main. So it looks like
I don't know what else there is.
This is the Joy-Con grip. Can't forget the Joy-Con grip. Slide these on.
So is it this button?
Yeah, that button.
Oh, can I try?
That button now. Oh.
Ooh la la!
And then that's makes it a little more classic controller type.
It's gonna be awesome.
Take these off.
Well, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Tell your teachers that it was easy.
So then
Just
you need these buttons to get on and off. Just so you know.
Okay.
Then this is the HDMI cable.
Interesting. You might need that.
And AC adapter. Oh, and I forgot one special thing that you need. You also should want the Joy-Con straps.
Yeah, just in case. And what else? What's this?
Oh, this is. See this? I totally forgot about this. It's the what is it? What do you call it again? Oh yeah, the dock.
Whoa, that's big.
Just,
ooh, so it's like a holder or something?
yeah,
That's cool.
this is how it charges.
And it also has the Nintendo Switch logo on it. I like that. That's cool.
And then
It's a little hard to see that.
let's see. How do you?
No? Yes? No? Maybe so? I don't know. We'll figure this out.
Yeah. How do I press the button?
Should we do this later? I don't know. I don't care. Oh, that's cool.
And then you can just put it on your wrist.
That's
Here.
cool.
So make sure to press the button down,
Press the button down.
and then let me make sure minus it up. Plus. Okay, then do this, and then okay, wait, and then just slide it on.
Alright. This is cool.
That's the Joy-Con strap.
Awesome.
So
Yeah,
that's all that
this is
comes
cool.
with this. Oh, slide it on.
Slide it
Hold on. Let's take these off.
Yeah, we should.
Take it off your wrist.
Okay.
You know what? Let's keep these on.
We'll just do that later.
We'll figure this out later.
Okay.
So
Here are
then-
all the instructions on the side.
Well,
Alright.
that's the unboxing and see you next time for the gameplay. Sawyer out.